First, you'll scroll down to Settings, click Store, click Store Business Hours. To change your business hours, you'll simply click up or down. You'll change your business hours for every day. You can change it to AM or PM by clicking here. Scroll down and repeat. Next, you'll click to set your closing times. Repeat for all days of the week. This function will close all active tills with the automatic close of day. This function will close all active employees. And this function will close all active checks. After closing the checks, it will close them as voids or cash transactions based on your selection. By turning on the end of the day confirmation, you will get a reminder that the close of day must be done manually every day, and if not, multiple days will merge into one single day. You'll scroll down, click Update to save your changes. Last, you'll click here and publish your changes to the POS.